The WiAir 1000 films are manufactured with high-density polyethylene, which is extremely strong against impact and abrasion resistant. The recyclable film is ecologically friendly and is moisture, stain, and odor resistant. It is FDA approved for use in the food processing industry. The film is available in two types, air pillows or pad air tubes. Single air pillows are designed for void fill applications. Each roll makes 2,000 pieces of air pillows, 7.8 inches by 3.9 inches wide. Pad tube film can be used for void fill and for protective wrapping for materials. Each roll of pad air tube produces 1,350 pieces, 15.75 inches by 11.4 inches wide. Rolls of material are pre-perforated into sections, allowing you to use as much or as little packaging materials as you need.